The invisible cost of emissions is paid long before the smoke fades from view. It shows up in the air we breathe, in the heat trapped around our cities, in storms growing stronger, and in harvests that never fully recover. It is not always measured on a receipt or seen in a single moment, but it is felt in rising health bills, damaged homes, lost livelihoods, and shortened lives. What makes this cost so difficult to confront is that it is scattered across time and space. A factory's emissions today may contribute to a flood years later, thousands of miles away. A gallon of fuel burned now can add to a future wave of disease, displacement, and repair. Because the damage arrives gradually, it is easy to ignore until it becomes impossible to deny. The burden is also unevenly shared. Those who emit the least are often the first and worst affected. Communities with fewer resources usually have less protection, less political influence, and fewer options to recover. In this way, emissions are not only an environmental issue, but also a question of fairness. Seeing this hidden price clearly changes the conversation. Pollution is no longer just the byproduct of progress, it is a debt passed forward to others. The true cost of emissions includes every asthma attack, every flooded neighborhood, every lost season of crops, and every life altered by a changing climate. What is invisible at the source becomes undeniable in its consequences.